In this video, I'm going to show you top DeFi tokens that are trending right now. If you're just hearing about the word DeFi for the first time, or don't you really understand that DeFi simply means decentralized finance. Decentralized finance. It's actually a system that eases or removes the bank from the system. I mean, you want to borrow money, you want to lend money, you want to save money. This system removes bank from equation. So it's more like banking without the bank. While most persons are focused on coins with hype, coins that actually make them money today and then fall tomorrow, some persons, few persons, are focused on DeFi coins that are coins based on technology and core value. These coins are DeFi coins. In this video, I'm going to show you top DeFi token. And some of these DeFi tokens are actually the ones powering the entire crypto ecosystem. Before I go on to show you these top DeFi tokens that are trending right now, it's important that I introduce myself. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ebenezer Link. One of the things I do on this particular channel is break down top crypto opportunities and helpful tools that can help you stay ahead. So if you're just seeing me for the first time and you've not subscribed to this channel, be sure to leave us with a subscribe to this channel and drop a like to this video so that next time we upload videos like this, you get notified and you get to put into action what is shown in the videos. The first on our list is Uniswap. Uniswap is the biggest decentralized exchange in crypto. It allows users to trade tokens directly without relying on centralized platform. Now, why is it trending? It's trending because of its high trading volume, constant upgrades, and strong adoption. Now, when you see tokens like this that have things like this stacked up together, you get to know that they really know what they're doing. Next on our list is Aave. Aave is one of the most popular lending platforms in DeFi. With Aave, you can lend your crypto and earn interest, or you can even borrow against your assets. Now, why is it trending? Number one, it has passive income opportunities. Two, it has a strong ecosystem, which is one of the most important things in DeFi, and then it is widely used. It has a strong ecosystem and it is widely used. So coins like this, tokens like this, always trending. The next one on our list is Maker, MKR. Maker is one of the most important stable coins in crypto. It plays a huge role in keeping DeFi stable and functional. Now, why is it trending? It's trending because it has real world utility, it has core infrastructure, and it has long-term reliability. So these are not just hype coins, these are long-term investment coins. Now, the fourth one on our list is one of my most favorite, and that is Chainlink. Chainlink is what connects blockchain to real-world data. Without Chainlink, most DeFi applications won't even work. Now, why is it trending? It's trending because of its essential for smart contracts, massive adoption, and cross-chain growth. The last one on our list is Lido DAO, initialized as LGO. Lido allows you to stake your crypto while still keeping it liquid. And this is a big deal in DeFi. Now, why is it trending? It's trending because it dominates liquid staking, it has high total value locked, and it has a high growing demand. Because of its demand, because of its high demand, it's actually trending. Now, if you're looking to track or buy some of these DeFi tokens, you can check out coinex. They list a wide range of DeFi projects and it's pretty easy to navigate. You can also monitor trending tokens and spot opportunities early. And for the newer DeFi tokens that haven't been listed yet, you can explore the coinex on-chain market, where you can trade tokens directly on chains before they hit major exchanges. Now, before you go on to start buying this project, make sure you understand that not all DeFi projects will survive. Not all of them will succeed. And be sure to not invest more than you can afford to lose when buying this project. Now, if you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, I'm going to see you in the next one.